Hi, and welcome to PDQPD. Today I'm going to show you how to do a presentation loop in Google Slides. Now, if you've ever worked in the Microsoft environment and worked with a PowerPoint, if you wanted to do a loop, as in maybe you do a presentation in a hallway on a parent night on a big TV, or on a screen for another kind of presentation, you needed to connect the computer that had PowerPoint software on it and then run it from that computer. Slides will allow you to do the same thing, but it gives you a little bit more flexibility in terms of how you make that slide deck run. Let me show you how this works. You see on the screen here, I have a Google slide deck that I've created that I use in some trainings. And the first thing you need to do is you need to publish this presentation to the web. And the way you do that is you go up to the File and click Publish to the Web. And you see you have some options here. How often do you want the slide to advance? And in this case, the default is 3 seconds, but I like 5 seconds a little better. 3 seconds seems to be a little quick. I'm going to check the Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads, and I'm also going to check Restart the slideshow after the last slide so it continues to run on a loop. Once I have those set, I will click the Publish button. It's going to ask me if I'm sure. And you see that it's now published. You see the faded blue button here that says published. And it also shows you a link to this presentation deck. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link. And at this point, I can close this window. And now all I need to do, I'm going to open a new tab here to accomplish this, but all I need to do is go to any browser. In this case, I'm going to use my Google. And up here in the web address window, I'm going to paste that web address. And I'm going to click Enter. And you see the presentation pops up. And if everything works correctly, it should advance the slide every 5 seconds. And you see that it's indeed advancing the slide every 5 seconds. So what this means in terms of how you connect a device is that anything that can connect to the internet, you can enter this address and put that in the web address window, and it will play this slide deck. You don't have to have necessarily a computer that's connected with PowerPoint software. Another tip for using this is you might want to take this particular link, because it was a long link, and perhaps paste it in a document. Then you can just open that document, copy it, and paste it into the web window where you want, because it's a little difficult. I had it copied to my clipboard, but you're going to want to copy it somewhere where you can re-access it, maybe onto a document or in something else that you can keep with you. So it's a pretty simple process, and it gives you a little bit more flexibility where you can show this document. Anything that is connected to the internet you can use. So I hope this presentation has been helpful to you, and that you will start to use Google Slides in place of your Microsoft presentation, since we are a Google school and it tends to work very well. It's another way that Google allows you some flexibility. Thanks a lot and have a great day.